Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. The folks at Epic Games have just announced Fab, and Fab is Epic Games' unified marketplace to cater to every single other marketplaces that they've purchased over time, which also includes their very own Unreal Engine marketplace. And it is more of a unified platform that caters to both Maya, Blender, Unreal Engine, Unity, and also Unreal Engine for Fortnite creators. As with this platform, you'll be able to get the highest quality of assets, and you can also get a ton of other things for free. And of course, with this new release, they are partnering with the folks at Adobe to give Substance 3D tools, which include Substance Painter and also Substance Modeler. And with Fab, creators will earn 88% of any product sold, and this is by far the highest in the industry at this point. Now, before we talk about every other thing that you need to know about this, of course, we're going to make a more detailed video about this, but for those who like to get the Megascan, right now is the best time for you to get it. Some time ago, there were lots of publication that this was available for free. You know, they also mentioned there were scripts that you can use, but those things are quite invalid. This is the best time for you to get this, as it's also stated that if you like to claim this, you can simply click a button and claim all of the Megascan stuff and use them across all engines and all tools. And you do have from now till the end of 2024 to claim these and use them however you choose. So to claim this is pretty easy. All you need to do is click claim, go over to your Quixel library, and of course you'll be able to notice that you do have every single thing, and you can just start grabbing them. So if you like to get this, you click on that, click on download, and then you can download this as the raw file, which is currently like 7.44 gig. That is pretty heavy. If you like to get the FBX one, you can click on that. If you like to get the mid one, you can click on that as well. And then you have the low res, which is pretty light. So again, depending on what you want, but more details about this and also more stuff that you can get for free in subsequent videos coming. Now, this is not the only thing that you can get for free, despite the fact that you've got that. And also you've got other free content, which we're also going to talk more about. There is a free Substance 3D and Modeler toolset that you can get. So for you to be able to get that, you need to simply go over the link in the description. It's going to bring you right here where you can get this for 6 months. So you can get Substance Painter and Modeler for free for 6 months if you choose to do any of these. Either you publish a listing on the marketplace or make a purchase of over $25, and you will be able to get a redemption code which you can use to have access to both Substance Painter and Modeler for free. And this is also super interesting. So for those who've been wondering how they can get these, we've already made tons of videos about Substance Painter and also tons of videos about Substance Modeler, which are tools that you can use to sculpt both on VR and also desktop. So for those who like to take a look at those, you can simply go ahead and check it. And for those who are thinking about getting these things for free, I mean $25, this makes it super easy for you to get this and run this for 6 months. But then Fab, which is a short word for fabulous, is right here. And this is one of the best things ever. Like, it is a unified platform that cuts across every other marketplace that the folks at Epic Games have purchased over time. So we've got the ArtStation marketplace where you can get tons of things. However, there were letters and also emails that came out previously that mentioned that some of these marketplaces were closing, but it is quite not exactly what it looks like. Because at this point, if you go over to the ArtStation marketplace, you would also see content on the marketplace. So the transitioning is happening, but it's not completely. So you can find some stuff here. You can also make some purchases here as well. So if you simply go over here to start making purchases, you would also notice that you still got stuff on ArtStation that is currently running. Now, the same thing can slightly be said for Sketchfab as well. So if you simply go over to Sketchfab, you'd also notice that you've got stuff. So Sketchfab, we already know what it is. It's an amazing platform where you can download free stuff and also pay stuff. And at this point, if you go over to Sketchfab and you choose to check out any of the stuff, you can. So we can go over to cars and vehicles, and then we can see some of these things. We can actually go ahead, select any of these ones, preview them like we can typically do with Sketchfab. So these marketplaces are still here, and I believe over time these will dissolve. Now, something that was pretty unique to Sketchfab is the fact that you can preview your models and you can also inspect them. So, you know, you can also go over and inspect these things by the maps and also see what they look like when rendered differently. Most of these are beginning to transition. If not all of them, they've started transitioning to Fab. So if we take a look at this model piece that we've got here, you can see all of what we got. Now, if we go over to Fab, this is what it looks like. The rendering looks pretty different from what we have here. This is probably just WebGL rendering. This has a different kind of rendering to it. Probably we'll get to find more information about this one later. But at this point, you can do the whole WebGL traveling across, previewing, inspecting your model. Now, something else that is very particular to Sketchfab is this particular form of inspection, which deals with all of these maps. So you can go through, check out these maps, see the emission if you like, see all of these maps. And these are also on Fab at this point. So models that have transitioned, they also transition with that effect. So if you go over and take a look at the inspector, The inspector looks slightly different because at this point you do have your scene information here and you can go in, and once you just swipe through, you can see this is pretty cool. Like you can just see, we can go from final to base, metal, roughness, emission, all of that. And if we choose to click on the wireframe, we can have that. And at the same time, you can choose to take a look at the settings for the wireframe and change these however you choose. And this is pretty neat. I mean, having this right now looks pretty cool. And this is one way to get going. So from characters to all this stuff, you would find most of these still on Sketchfab, but 99% of them that are here, they are totally free. So for those who like to grab these ones as well, these are right here, you can get them. Now, if you want to switch from here straight up to Fab, all you need to do is click on any of these buttons and it's going to take you there. So if you want to get like Blender stuff, 3D Studio Max, Cinema 4D, Maya stuff, once you click on the button, it takes you straight up to Fab where you can find related models. And so most of the models have now been transferred to Fab, especially the ones that have been paid for. So Sketchfab and also ArtStation, they do have their thing going for them, but Quixel, on the other hand, is totally off. We already mentioned this earlier. So if you go over to Quixel, you get to see more of Testament and also things that they've done, and you'll find most of their stuff on Fab. And of course, this is currently available for free. Now let's explore the website and see what you can get. Once you get on the website, you can start finding stuff from both 2D, 3D animation, atlases, any of the things you're looking for. All you need to do is click a button. So environment, it brings you here. You get to see every single thing that deals with environment. Now, the thing that they've done that makes so much sense is there are tags to every single thing. So we are here with the environment and we can say we would like to find military and Warzone stuff, and you find them. And this is also super cool. So you can go in, check these things out. If there are things you've owned before, you get to find them here. And this is also a testament to the fact that Unreal Marketplace is no longer there. So if you simply go over to the marketplace within Unreal Engine, it's no longer there, as this has fully been moved to Fab. And the marketplace situation is exactly the same thing you get with the Epic Launcher. So within the Epic Launcher, you get to find news, and now you see Fab. And unlike before, where you can find things here on the launcher, you now literally have to click on Start Exploring for these to bring up Fab, and then you can start exploring on Fab. Now, one thing which I'd like to see, maybe this might be implemented later, is being able to download stuff directly from here like you could do before. However, you still have your library where you get to find all the things that you're working with, and you would also notice that right here we've got Fab library, which we can now refresh. And what this will do is going to pull data from whatever thing that you've downloaded or things that you've saved within your library on Fab right into the Unreal Engine launcher. And speaking about things that you've owned, that is right here, if you go over to my library, you would also be able to see every single thing you've owned over time. So things you've purchased, the dates you purchased them. So I can say past 12 months, and I'm going to see everything I've purchased for the past 12 months. And I can also say, the past 7 days. And this is also going to filter it. Of course, the filtering is not like perfect at this point, but then you get to see them this way. So you can find every single thing you've purchased over time right here. So there are tons of things that you can see. Other things that you might also want to know is if you go back to the Fab page, there's always this thing that the folks at Epic Games do every single month where they give out free content, featured content for the month. So right here within the homepage, you would find that featured content here, and you can click on the explore. And this is going to bring you to a space where you can now explore all featured content. So all these featured contents are currently available. For those who like to get this, it is now easier than ever for you to now claim any of this featured content. So all you need to do is just go in there, select the personal you want to have it for free, click on add to my library, and automatically you can have this to your library. And it is that easy. Like, this platform has made it super easy for you to now grab stuff, pay for stuff, and get them. And you can also see what format is included right here. And the same thing is cut across every other product as well. There's also some featured sellers. So if you would like to get anything from any of the renowned creators, you'd also be able to find them here. So at this point, we can go over to featured sellers, and you can see Evermotion is here. We've got Lizard Studio. The Kongon Studio is also here. For those who like to get the Brushify, you would also find these ones there. Now, some other things that I think a lot of you guys may want to know is if you simply go over to the Discover section, you can also choose to find things based off the product type as well. And you can choose to find things based off the engine. So if you're looking for Unity stuff, you get to find tons of Unity things here, the same kind of format that you have in terms of checking out for filters and also those stuff. You get to find them here as well. You obviously find some more stuff like this. Maybe you're looking for tools and plugins. You can click right there. You get to find those tools and plugins. There's also another menu which exists right within the Epic section. So if you click that, you can also go in here and you can check out for stuff related to marketplaces. So if you like to discover these marketplaces, you can click on that and it's going to take you over to that place. Within the create section, and there are tons of things in relation to Epic Games that you can find. So if we click Twinmotion, this is going to fire and bring us over to Twinmotion tools where we can see some stuff. And speaking about Twinmotion, there's a new update for that. So for those who like us to make a video about that, please put it in the comment section and we'll do our best to do it. So if you like to find out stuff about that, you get to find it. There's this unified menu that is now available across all of Epic websites. So if you go over to the menu and you click MetaHuman, you would also find this menu existing within the MetaHuman section. So it's more like a unified ecosystem that they're making right now. And this is really, really nice. Now, something else which is pretty nice that we sort of slightly wanted to miss, but of course we cut it, is this, that if you take a look at the filter section, there is allow for use with generative AI. And this is one way of transparency that the folks at Epic Games are looking at. So if you don't want any of your stuff to be used for training data and stuff, you would actually not have them once you turn them on here. So once you're searching for stuff that you can use to train data, then of course, if you turn this on, you get to find them here. Now, on the other hand, if you don't want your stuff, you need to opt that out when you're uploading your files so no one would be able to use them to train any artificial intelligence. Other things that you might also want to know is right here as well, we also have hide products created with AI. So at this point, if you turn this on, it's going to hide all the products created with AI. Of course, we would not be able to see most of that here. So let's simply go through and check out the popular stuff that AI is being used for, which is creating materials and textures. So once we turn this on, all of what we have here are painstakingly created, in quote. However, if we go ahead and turn this off, you get to find things like this that were created with AI. And that is just one of those things to keep in mind. And for those who are thinking about, I don't want to use AI generated stuff, then you can turn that on. And of course, if you also want to see things that are on sale, I kind of believe that nothing is on sale at this point since this website just launched. But of course, if you like to see things on sale, you can turn that on here. And if we go ahead, let's take a look at 3D stuff. Okay, so if we turn on things on sale, all right, so nothing is currently on sale at this point. So basically everything you're seeing are the price point that these things are currently being sold at. And yes, this is the amazing website that the folks at Epic Games have put together. Fabulous is now available. You know, it allows you to do amazing stuff and you can come through, check it out, see what works for you, see what you can grab and start playing with it. And for those who like to publish stuff, for those who are thinking, okay, I'd like to get the Substance stuff, to publish things is pretty easy. Just go over to publish, get started. It would ask you to log in. Once you log in, it's going to require you to enter some details, which deals with publisher profile. You create a code, do the trader verification, set up your tax, and then proceed to payout. And that is how you set your stuff up. So this is it for those who like to take a look at this, and possibly you like to grab any of these things that are right here, from Quixel to all this free stuff, which we're going to make a dedicated video about. Links to all of that is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.